Founder mode? Pfft. Who needs that when you can be the father of creation, ushering in a new age of humanity? Welcome to God mode. Sam Altman, the CEO of the AI startup headed for a $150 billion valuation, OpenAI, has historically pitched AI as the solution to the world's problems, despite its significant impact on energy resources, carbon emissions, and water usage to cool data centers, coming at the cost of the progress the world has made toward combating climate change. In Altman's latest post, the OpenAI leader presents an incredibly positive update on the state of AI, hyping its world-changing potential. Far from being an occasionally helpful alternative to a Google search or a homework helper, AI, as Altman presents, will change humanity's progress. For the better, naturally. Through rose-tinted contacts, Altman pitches the numerous ways he believes AI will save the world. But much of what he writes is seemingly meant to convince the skeptics of how much AI matters and could well have the opposite result. Instead of creating new fans, posts like this may well invite increased scrutiny as to whether we're in an emperor's new clothes situation. As one commentator with the username Shark Jacobs on the technical forum Hacker News writes, "I'm not an AI skeptic at all. I use LLMs all the time and find them very useful. But stuff like this makes me very skeptical of the people who are making and selling AI." Let's go through Altman's promises and rate them as believable or just hype. Altman's hype aside, it's worth acknowledging that AI is a sizable platform shift and perhaps the biggest since the arrival of mobile technology. Case in point, Apple is selling its iPhone 16 based on its AI capabilities, not its hardware. AI could eventually deliver major changes in time, but today, it's still fair to question if the arrival of AI will ultimately prove as significant as connecting the world through the internet, putting a web-connected computer in everyone's home, and then in everyone's pocket. On the one side are the true believers counting the days to AGI, and on the other, skeptics who would like to see more before dubbing the AI age a utopia, especially considering the real-world costs to the environment, the workforce, art, and creation. We're currently at the point in AI's development where consumers and businesses alike are figuring out how AI will fit into their usual workflows, where AI can improve efficiencies and where it will not. Until then, much of what's being written about AI's future can only be speculative.